Hi, it's Pete here from Babby Pier. Today I am going to show you our top 5 kitchen plastic-free swaps. It's Plastic-Free July. I'm here on our kitchen aisle in the warehouse and I'm going to pick them out now, so come with me. Number 1 is the Eco Coconut Scourers. Number 2 is the dish brush. And another really important aspect in the kitchen is your storage. Clean canteen food boxes. These are great for out and about, but also for storing food in the freezer or the fridge. Okay, next up, oh here we go, compostable sponges. Another favorite that we use at home all the time is a steel tea cage. Oh, there's one more that we have to include. Mineral bleach. This is great for cleaning all kinds of different things. So let's go upstairs and we'll have a little closer look. Right, so here we are, our top 5 kitchen recommendations that turned into 6. First up, we've got the Eco Coconut Scourers. Those plastic sponges that most people have in their kitchens, they are made of plastic. When you scrub your pans, little tiny bits of plastic shed off them, you rinse it down the sink, they end up in the waterways. These are made of coconut, they last for about a year. They scrub really well, they don't damage your pans, they don't damage non-stick pans, and they're just fantastic. You will not look back after having these. They save you money and they stop all those little bits of plastic going down the drain. Number 2, we have a nice simple one, a replacement for those plastic dish brushes. Great for scrubbing, getting inside bottles, pans, plates, all that kind of stuff. The head is replaceable, so when the bristles wear down, these are natural bristles by the way, you simply pop the head off and replace it with a new one. Next up, we've got these compostable sponges. These are from Eco Living. These are a replacement for those plastic wipe cloths. They last really well. When they reach their end of life, they're compostable. Really easy eco swap, and it's just better to not have the unnecessary plastic in your regular cleaning routines. Okay, and this one I picked out because it is my wife Jolene's favourite. It's a tea infuser. It's made from metal, completely reusable. So all you do is you pop your favourite loose tea into this little steel cage, pop it in your cup with boiling water, and isn't that cute? Next up, I've got the Clean Canteen food box for you. This one is actually mine from home. I brought it in. It's got a fantastic seal. You don't have to have like straps, seals that can fall off. It's just pop this little popper on the side closed, and it's rock solid, leak proof. I put some water in to test it and put it over my head, and it holds liquid. So if you're making salads or if you've got some leftovers, pop them in the fridge, put it in this box, and you're good to go the next day. They're made from stainless steel, so these are basically going to last forever. And they're a great alternative to typical plastic Tupperware, using things like cling film. Highly, highly recommend this one. Okay, and this one sneaked in at number 6. How could we talk about the kitchen without mentioning oxygen bleach? This is earth-friendly bleach. It's pure percarbonate of soda. It comes in a nice paper bag, so obviously you've got your plastic reduction element there. But it's just a fantastic cleaning product. Use it all around the house. You could use it in your wash. Great for cleaning stuck on grimy stuff. You put a few scoops in a cup or a jar, mix it with boiling water to activate it. It goes all fizzy and it just cleans like magic. But most importantly, it doesn't contain chlorine, so we're not poisoning waterways. We don't have that strong chemical element. This stuff has been a favourite with us and our customers for years and years now. We use it for everything. It's brilliant. Okay, so there we go. That's our top 5 kitchen plastic reduction recommendations that turned into 6. Stick with us. Next we're going to look at out and about, on the go, things like clean canteens and steel bottles and cups and things. So yeah, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and yeah, hope that was helpful.